Kamusta? This is a quick video on how to change the CVT fluid and oil filter of a Toyota Raize. It's a good idea to drive a Raize muna for about 10 to 15 minutes to warm up the transmission fluid. The transaxle oil pan is located under the driver's seat. Here's the drain bolt. Ito naman yung mga bolts holding the pan in place, while this is where the fluid dipstick is located. Remove the left front tire for easier access. Put a catch pan under the drain bolt bago luwagan ng plug using a 14mm socket and ratchet wrench. Then tanggalin ang bolt by hand. We just need to let the CVT fluid to drain. I bought this new washer from an online store that we all hate and love. The link is on the description box. Reinstall the drain plug, then torque it to 28 Newton meters. Let's remove 18 transaxle oil pan bolts using a 10mm socket. Loosen each bolt with a ratchet wrench first, then remove each bolt by hand. I'm taking out every single one of them in an alternating pattern. In my experience, nakadikit pa din ang pan kahit natanggal na ang lahat ng bolts. We're removing the splash shield to get a better view of the transaxle assembly and have better control over where the transmission fluid flows when it drains. We only need to take out 2 plastic rivets and 1 bolt. Dito natin papalabasin ang natitirang langis. We'll use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer to carefully separate one side of the oil pan from the transaxle assembly. Place the tip of the screwdriver between the oil pan and the transaxle housing, then gently tap the screwdriver with a hammer, then pry it open for it to drain on this side. Alalayan nyo lang yung oil pan as it separates to prevent it from falling to the ground. Gumamit ng 10mm socket para tanggalin ang dalawang mahabang filter mounting bolts. Gently pull the transmission filter straight down to remove it. I was able to drain almost 4 liters of old CVT fluid. Ito yung bagong filter. Let's install it and tighten the bolts to 10 Newton meters. Tanggalin ang lumang gasket ng transmission pan, then clean it, including the magnet, gamit ang isang malinis na basahan. Apply a small amount of silicone compound around the edge of the new oil pan gasket. Reinstall the transmission pan by hand tightening all the bolts first. Once they are in place, tighten them evenly in a crisscross pattern to ensure proper seating and sealing. The torque specification is 4.4 Newton meters. This is a 4-liter new CVT fluid for our Toyota Raize. For this project, I improvised a funnel. I use a plastic ketchup dispenser as the funnel. This clear hose has an outside diameter of 10mm and an inside diameter of 8mm. The length is 23 inches. This setup works well for filling the transaxle unit with new CVT fluid. Hindi mo na kailangan hawakan yung funnel. If you can hold the rubber coolant hose comfortably, it's safe to remove the transmission dipstick. Insert one end of the transmission hose into the fill tube, then secure the funnel between the hose and the air filter housing. Slowly pour the new CVT fluid into the transmission. We'll be adding about 4 liters, the same amount of fluid that was drained from the transaxle. The container is empty, so let's remove the funnel and hose, then put back the transmission dipstick. Check for leaks. Let's start the engine. The dashboard shows no warning lights. It's important to cycle the shifter through all the transmission positions several times, pausing briefly in each gear. Gawin ito ng ilang ulit bago mag-test drive. Check for leaks again. Let the engine cool down, then check the dipstick. The fluid level should be between the low and high marks. If all is good, ibalik ang dipstick. According to the owner's manual, the CVT fluid should be inspected every 12 months and replaced every 100,000 kilometers. I changed mine for video tutorial purposes and to take care of my Raize's transmission. Properly dispose the used CVT fluid and old filter. I hope marami kayong natutunan. Please consider subscribing and supporting the channel. May God bless you. I'll see you soon.